Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's topic is smooth and rough. Listen carefully. Smooth. Smooth means the surface is even, flat, and has no bumps. Rough. Rough is the opposite of smooth when something feels bumpy or not flat. Look at the picture. Bo is touching a pineapple which is having bump is rough. As compared to the apple, if we touch the apple's surface is smooth, not rough. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.